Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto built in, don't worry, you don't need to buy a new car. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 best CarPlay screens on Amazon in 2026. These screens upgrade your dashboard with navigation, music, calls, dash cams, and backup cameras. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. S-Joybring 7-inch double-din car stereo QLED upgrade. Product info. The S-Joybring 7-inch double-din car stereo comes with a QLED screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in dash cam, backup camera, and a powerful 240-watt 4.2-channel audio output. This is a great option if you want a permanent factory-style installation. The QLED display looks sharp and bright, and wireless CarPlay connects quickly. Audio quality is strong, making it ideal for music lovers. Pros: QLED screen with excellent brightness, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in dash cam plus backup camera, powerful 240-watt 4.2-channel audio output. Cons: requires double-din installation, smaller screen compared to portable models. If you want a clean built-in CarPlay solution, this is one of the best double-din stereos you can buy in 2026. Number 2. 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam. This 9-inch portable CarPlay screen includes a 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, voice control, Bluetooth, and mirror link support. Perfect for drivers who want easy installation. Just mount it on the dashboard, plug it in, and you're good to go. The 4K dash cam is a big plus for safety and recording road trips. Pros: large 9-inch display, 4K front dash cam, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No permanent installation needed. Cons: built-in speakers are average, needs dashboard space. This is a solid choice if you want portability with high-quality dash cam recording. Number 3. 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam. This 10-inch touchscreen supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera, voice control, GPS navigation, and music playback. The bigger screen makes navigation and multitasking easier. Touch response is smooth and it works well for older cars that don't support smart features. Pros: large 10-inch touch display, 4K dash cam included, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, easy plug-and-play setup. Cons: slightly bulky for small dashboards, uses FM or AUX for audio. If you want the big screen experience without modifying your car, this is a great option. Number 4. 10.26-inch CarPlay screen with 3-channel camera. This 10.26-inch portable CarPlay screen features a 4K dash cam, 3-channel camera system, backup camera, Bluetooth 5.2, FM radio, and 32 gigabytes built-in storage. The standout feature here is the 3-camera setup, which gives you extra safety coverage. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable audio and faster connections. Pros: 3-channel camera system, large 10.26-inch display, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, built-in storage included. Cons: interface may feel complex for beginners, slight learning curve during setup. This is best for drivers who want maximum security and camera coverage. Number 5. Volum 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen with Netflix and YouTube built in. The Volum 11-inch CarPlay screen is a premium option with built-in Netflix and YouTube apps, Android Auto, backup camera, OTA updates, Bluetooth, voice control, GPS navigation, and FM radio. This feels more like a tablet for your car. The massive 11-inch screen is perfect for streaming when parked, and OTA updates keep the system fresh over time. Pros: massive 11-inch touchscreen, built-in Netflix and YouTube, OTA software updates, premium design and performance. Cons: more expensive than others. Streaming works best when parked. If you want the most advanced CarPlay screen in 2026, this is the top pick. So those were the top 5 best CarPlay screens on Amazon in 2026. Whether you want a built-in stereo, a portable screen, or a full entertainment system, there's something here for every car and budget. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.